Gaming session at risk because of the CUDA Random 64 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for CUDA Random 64, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This DLL file is the CUDA Random Number Generation Library. It provides high-quality pseudo-random and quasi-random number generators that execute in parallel on the GPU for Monte Carlo simulations. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. If the CUDA Random 64 10DLL is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files, and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the CUDA Random 64 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of the CUDA Random 64 10DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing the CUDA Random 64. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped you with the CUDA Random 64 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.